Well, hey guys, so I'm back with another video. Honestly, to film these type of videos, I honestly don't know, because when I used to do my tutorials like on Instagram or on Snapchat, like I would just be like, what's up bitches, but it's kind of like people are sensitive as fuck nowadays, and it's like you can't say that. So I'm back and my uploading schedule is so fucked up. Today I want to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. There's nothing really special with them. If I do this on Snapchat, like it erases obviously in 24 hours, so you guys can't come back and watch it. Like now with the videos, you can come back and watch it anytime you guys want. So that's what we're gonna get started on. So, and I don't have makeup on because, well, obviously I don't have makeup on because I usually do my eyebrows first, and then I'll do like my foundation or my eyeshadow depending on what look I'm going for. So let's just get started, and I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. Okay, so depending on how I want to do my eyebrows, I will usually fill them in with powder. I'm going to show you guys the extra as fuck way I usually do my eyebrows in one eyebrow. And my eyebrows used to be a little thicker than what they are now. But I've just been fucking with having thin little eyebrows and stuff. So I go in, I use eyeliner brushes actually to fill in my eyebrow because I feel like they're thinner, and they're like, eyeliner brushes are a lot thinner to use and much easier, and you can get eyeliner brushes, you can kind of get more precise with them. That's why I use them, because I like that thin, I like the thinness of the brush, if that makes sense. I'm gonna just go in with kind of like a medium brown, and I just go in and then I'll roughly line it because we will clean up with concealer. I'll raise my eyebrow and then I'll lightly just start following the line. Yes, my eyebrows need to be done, but I'm too lazy to do it, so bear with me. So I lightly go in, I'll pick up more product, and I know people are like, why don't you use your dip brow? With my dip brow, I noticed that when I take flash photography, all this becomes like empty, even if it looks filled in or whatever. It still looks empty as hell. And remember, when it comes to the arch, like I know our arches are so different from each other because obviously this one's kind of like hey bitch and this one's kind of like mediocre. When you're doing your arch, always curve it so it doesn't look super harsh. And I'm mad dog honestly when I do my eyebrows because I want the arch there, so that's what I do. So a rough ass kind of cut, I'll fix it with the dip brow and I'll fix it with everything else. So now I go in with the e.l.f. I use the e.l.f. pencil to line it, and I love the spoolie on it. But the product, it comes out, it's not as pigmented as I would want it to be. So I just go in roughly and kind of color in, and with the front I'll like smudge it and lightly just press it like that. With your eyebrows, you don't want to box them in like this because it looks like shit. Remember, never ever 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 use actual eyeliner to do your eyebrow, because black isn't an unnatural color when it comes to your eyebrows. Use at least like a medium dark brown or super dark brown. Never use black because it looks unnatural. Now the only times I'll ever use actually black eyeshadow is at the ends, if I'm feeling dramatic that day. But other than that, don't ever use black because it looks so bad, especially when you're just learning how to do your eyebrows. That's just my little tip for you guys. Now in the front, I know it's all fucked up, but it's okay. So now once my eyebrows look like that, I will go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow and start from, I guess, the middle of my eyebrow. The top of my eyebrow, I curved it, and I'm gonna do the same in the front. Is just make a straight line. So then I go in with more product. We'll line the top very lightly. Like I know we have a lot of product on our brush, so lightly I will sketch it out. because it is very pigmented. And I curve it. Now this eyebrow is kind of messed up because like there's less hair over here than on my other eyebrows, so I kind of have to really draw extra, basically. Like I have to make it thicker. But it's okay if you mess up because we're gonna clean it up. Oh my, it up and make it look presentable. Now with the front, I just, whatever's left on the brush, lightly just flick it up so it looks kind of natural in the beginning. And if you go too heavy, it's okay because we have a spoolie, and with the end of the spoolie I just make it all go away. So now this brow is basically done, but as you can see there's some bald spots over here, so I'll just go in with like a light and dark brown and I'll just fill whatever's left in there. Now that that's done, I'm going to clean them up, and I'm going to use my Eyebrow Pro Concealer. And then with the top, I'll use the same concealer, or sometimes I'll use my actual foundation. Sometimes I forget to actually put eyebrow gel, but in this case, I will not. I usually use the Essence brow gel because, I don't know, I just use it. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my other brow and I'll come back when I'm done. My eyebrows are done completely. It's just really simple, honestly, and the only times I fill them with the powder is mostly every day, but sometimes when I don't have the time I'll just go in with the dip brow really quick and stuff. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every single one of you that actually watch my videos and like what I do and talk about because I'm randomish. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.